Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting 10 pounds of firm, ripe tomatoes, wash them and trim stems. Sterilize canning jars and lids by fully submerging and boiling for 10 minutes at 212 degrees F, then keep them hot until use. Prepare a large pot of boiling water and a separate ice bath to blanch tomatoes for peeling. Arrange a clean towel, a jar lifter, and a funnel at your workstation so you can move quickly and maintain safe, sanitary handling throughout the canning process. Blanch tomatoes in the boiling water for 30 to 60 seconds until skins split, then transfer to the ice bath and slip off skins by hand. Quarter or leave whole, remove cores, and pack tomatoes tightly into hot jars, maintaining a 1/2 inch headspace. For safe acidity, add 2 tablespoons bottled lemon juice or 1/2 teaspoons citric acid per quart jar. Add 1 teaspoon salt per quart for flavor if desired. Wipe jar rims. Apply lids and screw bands, fingertip tight, to prevent leaks. Place filled jars in a boiling water canner with at least 1 inch of boiling water covering lids. Process pint jars for 40 minutes and quart jars for 45 minutes at sea level. If you are above 1,000 feet altitude, add the recommended additional processing time per canning guidelines. Remove jars with a lifter and set on a towel, undisturbed, to cool for 12 to 24 hours. Check each lid for a concave seal. Label with date and store sealed jars up to 18 months in a cool, dark place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.